Welcome home. Well, not yet, but it could be. This could be your new house. Come on in and we'll show you all the goodies that this house has to offer. You're gonna love it. And in here we have a fabulous foyer, grand staircase, half bath in the hallway. And come on into this amazing living area. It's a very large room, lots of natural light from all these windows, beautiful cherry hardwood floors. You're gonna love it in here. And in here we have an eat-in kitchen, plenty of space for a dining room table for 4 to 6 people. Plus, this kitchen has 2 pantries. Very deep, you know, storage is always a big factor when you're feeding, whether it's 2 or 6 or 10 people. You need lots of pantry room. So this has 2 pantries in the kitchen, amazing storage. You have the second pantry over here. All stainless steel appliances stay with the house, even a trash compactor. So no more, the trash is overflowing. No, push a button. And in here we have a nice size laundry, washer, dryer. Again, plenty of storage. This house has a ton of storage. So if you have a lot of stuff, this could be the house for you. And then we go right into the additional 5th bedroom in this house. Yes, 5. So if you have a lot of kiddos, this would be great for you. 2 closets in here with bench storage. Amazing natural light. It's a really great room. Plus, the barn door trim that everybody loves. And this room is a multi-purpose room. It could be your formal dining room. It could be an office. It could be your playroom for the kids. It could be your craft room, your music room, whatever you want it to be. Double windows, barn door leading to the other bedroom, door leading to the kitchen, and door leading to the foyer. You can completely close it off. It can be a private space, or it can be a great family room, media room, whatever you want. And up here we have 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths. You have a master suite with a full bath, bedroom, full bath, bedroom, bedroom, and again, linen closet storage here, closet storage here. The master bath has 2 closets, and the full bath, it's got plenty of space. And another big bonus that this house has is it's on quite a wide lot. Wow, quite a wide, say that 5 times fast. Wide lot. It has a detached 2-car garage, plus they closed in the other single-car garage that's now your 5th bedroom. So there's, again, a massive amount of storage. It is sheetrocked. You can finish it out if you want. Craft room, woodworking shop, whatever you want it to be, or you can actually park cars in there. You know, some people do that. Hey, thanks for stopping by. And if you're in the market for a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath home in the heart of Metairie, 2 blocks from LAFRENIERE Park, I mean, I can literally see it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Get with your agent, stop by, come see it. This could be your new home by Thanksgiving.